Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix pin to start not working or missing in Windows 11, 10. First method is type edit group policy in Windows search bar, click edit group policy. Open prevent users from customizing their start screen, change to disabled. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand current version. Rename Cloud Store to cloudstore.bach. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.